To turn on Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, you will need to set up the service on your device. First, start by opening the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Then tap on the My Watch tab and select Wallet and Apple Pay. On this page, you will see an option to add a credit or debit card. Tap on the Add Credit or Debit Card option and follow the prompts to add your card information. You may need to take a photo of your card or enter the details manually. Once you have added your card, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the service. After agreeing, you will receive a verification code from your bank, which you will need to enter to complete the setup process. After setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone, it will automatically be available on your Apple Watch. To use Apple Pay on your watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the contactless reader to complete a transaction. To add multiple cards to your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. Tap on the Add Credit or Debit Card option to add a new card. You can also reorder your cards or remove them from this page. To switch between cards on your Apple Watch, open the Wallet app on the watch. Then swipe left or right to select the card you want to use. You can also use the Watch app on your iPhone to manage your cards and settings. It is also important to note that you should keep your Apple Watch and iPhone in a safe place and use a passcode to protect your device. This will help prevent unauthorized transactions and keep your personal information secure. By following these steps, you can easily set up and enable Apple Pay on your Apple Watch and start making convenient and secure payments with just a few taps on your wrist.